Hey everybody in the old YouTube world, the Vinyl Village Garage episode, another one of these unplanned ones. This Avalanche has been kind of fun here for me. This is what I do every day, playing in the garage, building these cars, and I decided to pick up the camera and throw it on YouTube. Maybe you guys can see what I'm up to and what I've been doing, so none of this is scripted, it just seems to happen. But in this case, the Avalanche, well, wouldn't restart. I loaded it up, took a truckload of things down to the daughter's place for college, and well, it didn't want to restart. Makes the old familiar click, click, click noise like it needed a starter, but ended up not needing a starter. So I called on a friend. He helped me out and definitely appreciate it. But why don't you watch this little clip here and see if you come to the same conclusion, but kind of ruined the fun that it wasn't a starter. But I'll tell you what, follow along. You probably think it was too. So let's check it out. On this episode of Vinyl Village Garage, a guy was just boasting how the fact that his truck has 299,000 miles on a road trip to deliver some stuff. And it was going to hit 300,000 miles on the trip. Stopped to get gas, and now it does only this. I had to push it away from the pump, but listen to this. I'm going to have to say, the Avalanche has finally left me stranded. The starter, I believe, has failed on it, so I pushed away from the gas pump over there to get it out of the way, but I'm gonna call in a favor from a friend of mine and see if we can help me get this thing back on the road and get back to business today.
Wave bye.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it did help though.
Oh, you are recording this. Great. Thanks, Whitney. You're the best. Can't tell Mike happy birthday.
Open the free.
On your birthday.
Yep.
Oh, hey, you want to disconnect the old battery? Hand that to Mikey.
I can't believe you, John.
What?
You're not going to do this live?
That's a little tight.
What do you want me to do? Hot? The hot's the easiest. The positive's on.
Okay, I can go back to hard rolling.
Yep.
Oh, I found the problem. The battery cable rotted off of it.
Really?
Yeah. You don't have a... Yeah, the end rotted off of the battery cable. Starter's fine.
Battery cable out there?
Yeah, we'll try. See if we can put an end on it. That'd make it nice. Just use battery cable instead. That explains why it cranks slow a couple times and then... Wow. I might just put the starter on it anyway.
I'm going to throw that one away.
No. There's a problem. There's supposed to be a cable stuck to the other end of this here. It seems to have rotted off. Where's that?
Do you have enough?
Well, that explains the symptoms it's been having. Where did the cable go? I thought I gave that thing a tug. I think here's here. Holder downer thingy here. I can climb out that. Okay.
Yeah, that's like this first one.
look pretty sad though. 300,000 miles. Oh, 299,908. Not 300,000.
We'll run back to the house and try to knock him out of there.
Yeah, then finally what we could do is probably take it here.
Smack him with a hammer.
Yep. Yep. We'll do. Get the strippers, cut it, or find a big eyelet somewhere.
Maybe.
Yeah. Okay. We're gonna go. Got it. Oh, well, here's what the problem was. The end of the cable, the battery cable, wasn't necessarily rotted or corroded, just, I guess, vibration eventually snapped every single last strand. It happened to leave us stranded. Anyway, we went to Mike's house. He found some battery cable ends, able to dock that up, but we had made a road trip to get a starter because I made the assumption when it goes click, click, click that I needed a starter. So he helped me out immensely, but end result, I needed a 50-cent cable end and make it go again. So I guess we'll get that all put on and get going down the road and I guess see if we can get the heck out of it. In case you're wondering, on the side of the road fixes, you gotta have your essential tools. And that's the best we can find for Orange Mountain Dew. I'm gonna make a go of it and get my truck going again. The plan is, we're gonna crimp a new end on the wire, put the starter back up in there, and get the heck out of here. Kind of a temporary repair, but that'll get us going down the road again. That'll work. Yeah, of course, don't attempt that unless you disconnect the battery first. Do that. Alright, good. And we're going to try to get 300,000 miles on this truck today, somehow. Break that threshold finally. Extension.
6 inch?
Yeah, 6. Thanks. Now, it's not that hard to take back down. But the part that's going to be disappointing is I have to reset all my radio presets. That's a lot of work. That's going to stress me out. And I think you have to reset the clock, too.
Well, I get what you're talking about.
Yeah, once we get moving again, in case I get bored with driving, I can redo all the presets. Where is solenoid wire? There it is. Yeah. Now, I got my fingernails dirty for this, though. Click. Starter bolts. Grabbed all those sockets. The only one you needed was 13 millimeter.
They almost make it pretty simple.
Yeah, it's not bad at all. How about another 3/8 extension? Like it's really easy on there. Yeah, perfect. I can clear the transmission more gooder that way.
Good result is good.
Yeah. Incoming. starter's good. I'm done. Well, I guess hook up the battery. I'm out. I'll let you snug at it. I suppose it's time for the moment of truth. See if we get the heck out of here. It's alive again. We can leave now. Try it one more time, just because. Well, there you have it. Avalanche is going to get me home. We're going to put 300,000 miles on it yet today. We got to have a special thanks from buddy Mike. It's his birthday, so what kind of a wonderful gift to help me out. But it's kind of nice to have some good friends, and I do appreciate it. So if you get a chance on this video, wish Mike a happy birthday. He's a day behind, but I'm sure he'll still like that. And of course, the producer, she's my cameraman today, so say hi, Whitney.
Hi.
I'll get this thing wrapped up, get your tools back to your house, Mike, and then I guess it's going to do it for this time, and wish me luck. Well, we're back home safely. That kind of wraps it up. Kind of a bit of an adventure for me today, but I guess the thing here to keep in mind, just stay cool. The answer is normally all not that bad, and if anything, I saved myself probably $500 to $1,000, depending on what shop I would have told somebody to have this repaired. So bonus for me. It's why I learned how to do this stuff. Now I'm sharing with you, hoping that you can be inspired or get you some knowledge and help prevent from spending too much money or even fix it yourself. So that's kind of the goal of this channel, educate you, follow along on the journeys of the crazy stuff that I do sometimes, but I've been doing this all my life. The only thing I'm doing different now, adding this camera into the whole mix so you can kind of see what I've been up to. It's a lot of fun. I enjoy doing these things, and I'm hoping these stories or moments get you motivated to get there and try it yourself. So it's going to do it for this time around. Appreciate you following us. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe. You want to see more videos on fixing, restoring, or anything that just happens to break on the road like the old Avalanche again? Well, stay tuned and subscribe. I can tell you what, not very many dull moments around here. So I guess until next time, be safe out there, and I'll keep on wrenching some of this stuff and keep posting videos, and we'll see you next time. Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget to wish Mike a happy birthday. I've known this guy for basically 20 plus years now. He's always been there to help me. Not very often does he get the opportunity to, but he did this time. I definitely appreciate it, and it was on his birthday. So if you could, wish him a happy birthday. I'm sure he'd like that a lot, and I'd appreciate it too. We'll see you next time.